Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. X plus 1 over x equal to the golden ratio 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Then we have to find x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30. I want you to pause the video right now and try this problem by yourself first. Now I will consider 1 plus root 5 over 2, which is the golden ratio equal to 5. Now I can write two equations from here. First equation will be x plus 1 over x equal to 5. And second equation I can write 1 plus square root 5 over 2 equal to 5. Now we will multiply both sides by 2. So 1 plus square root 5 we will write equal to 2 times 5. Now we'll subtract 1 from both the sides. So root 5 will be equal to 2 5 minus 1. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So we will put power 2 in the RHS and LHS. Square root and square will be over. We will get 5 in LHS, and in RHS we will write 4 5 square minus 4 5 plus 1. Now we'll take all the terms to one side and we can write 4 5 square minus 4 5. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 equal to 0. We'll take 4 common out. So in the bracket we'll get 5 square minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. So from here we will write 5 square value, which will be equal to 5 plus 1. Here I will write this is our equation number 1. Now I will consider x plus 1 over x equal to 5 equation. I will consider squaring both sides. So I will write here x plus 1 over x equal to 5. After squaring both sides, we are going to apply a plus b whole square formula in LHS, and we will get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x times 1 over x, which is 2, equal to 5 square. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides. So plus 2 and minus 2 will be over. We are going to get x square plus 1 over x square. This will be equal to 5 square minus 2. Now we will write our first equation, which is 5 square equal to 5 plus 1, which we are going to plug in here in place of 5 square. So we can write x square plus 1 over x square will be equal to 5 plus 1 minus 2. So this value will be equal to 5 minus 1. So I will write here x square plus 1 over x square equal to 5 minus 1. Let's say this is our second equation. Now I will consider the same equation once again for cubing. So we'll write here x plus 1 over x whole cube this time equal to 5 whole cube. Here we have to use a plus b whole cube identity. So we will get x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x equal to 5 cube. We can write 5 square times 5. Now x plus 1 over x is 5. X and x will be cancelled out from numerator denominator. So we can write x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times 5 equal to, here we have 5 square. Using equation 1, we can write this is 5 plus 1 times 5. Now we will simplify RHS. We can write 5 square plus 5. Now as per equation 1, 5 square is 5 plus 1. Then we have 5, which will give us 2 5 plus 1. And in LHS we have x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 5. Now we'll be subtracting 3 5 from both the sides and we'll get our third equation, x cube plus 1 over x cube. This will be equal to 2 5 minus 3 5 is minus 5 plus 1. Here I will write equation number 3. Now I have to multiply equation 2 with equation 3. So I will write equation 2 times equation 3. We have to multiply the LHS first, x square plus 1 over x square times x cube plus 1 over x cube. And in RHS, we'll write RHS of equation 2, 5 minus 1 times RHS of equation 3, we'll write 1 minus 5 or minus 5 plus 1. Now we are going to take minus common from this bracket. So I can write minus of 5 minus 1 times 5 minus 1 will be equal to minus of 5 minus 1 whole square. We can use a minus b whole square formula and we will write 5 square minus 2 5 plus 1. Now from equation 1 we will write here 5 plus 1. So I will write minus of 5 plus 1 minus 2 5 plus 1, which will give us minus of, in bracket, 5 minus 2 5 is minus 5 plus 2. Or we'll write here 5 minus 2. Now we have to simplify our left hand side. We will multiply x square with x cube. We will write here x power 5 plus. We will multiply 1 over x square with 1 over x cube. We can write 1 over x power 5. Now we'll write here 1 over x squared times x cube will be x. X squared times 1 over x cube will be 1 over x. So x plus 1 over x, this is 5. So I can write here x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 plus 5 equal to 5 minus 2. Now we will subtract 5 from both the sides. And we are going to get one very important equation. We will write here x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to negative 2. Now I will be squaring this equation to get the value of x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10. So I will write here x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to negative 2. Let's consider squaring both sides. We'll be using a plus b whole square identity in LHS. So we will write x power 5 whole square, x power 10 plus 1 over x power 5 whole square, we'll write 1 over x power 10 plus 2 times x power 5 times 1 over x power 5, which will be 2, equal to minus 2 square, 4. Now we will take this 2 to the RHS and we are going to get x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 equal to 2. Now our target expression is x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30. So we have to consider cubing both sides. So I will write here x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 equal to 2. Let's put power 3 on both the sides. Now we will be using a plus b whole cube formula in left hand side. So we will write here x power 10 whole cube plus 1 over x power 10 whole cube plus 3 times x power 10 times 1 over x power 10 times x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 equal to 2 cube, which is 8. X power 10 will be over. X power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So here we can write x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30. 3 times 2 is 6, RHS is 8. Now we have to take 6 to the RHS, and here we can write required expression E. So I will write E plus 6 equal to 8, E equal to 8 minus 6. So our final answer becomes E equal to 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.